today we are the hunt of authentic Bombay food, and we are here at, I don't know, some shop.
All right.
And we just already had 2 dabelis, 1 vada pav, 2 chai. And now we are ordering 2 Maharaja vada pavs. Let's dig in. Let's see how it comes.
So this is Maharaja Vada Pav.
So this is gunpowder.
Okay.
This is pudine ki chutney.
Pudina and mint.
Mint. Pudina mint is
हाँ
same.
mint पुदीना होता है यार. Coriander.
This is my ex. She like to get
Oh.
sun.
So have a short man.
So we'll try. So इसमें cheese है, and we have a layering of cheese. Tandoori
अरे
mayo.
इधर दिखाओ ना face इधर है.
So tandoori mayo. We have a layer of tandoori mayo.
Okay.
And vada is aloo ka pakoda, bonda.
Yeah, let's have a. All right, expressions good. Oh my god. Dip this. This. All right, that's all. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.